Ma, why is he pressing on the gas? You know what? I worked at Tim Hortons one time and someone did this and went right through our store window. Facts. And they made the news the next day, so. What the heck? Okay, this isn't real. This is not real. Y'all are playing with me. This looks photoshopped. This is physically not possible. How is this actually possible? Do you back up hard enough that you just like go up the pole? I don't know. Parking. Is that on another car? What? Okay, you know what I think happened here? I think that car was parked there before and the other person just really needed a seat, so they just like slid underneath. You know what I'm saying? They had to have, like Legoed it. Like they just wanted to Lego piece it and they just slid underneath and thought, I'm gonna just make my own parking spot. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Top 10 Central. I'm your host for this one, Joss Bernard. That is right. I am alone. I am taking this one as a solo today. So I guess I'm gonna be reacting live with you guys. And producer Chris, of course, as always. And we got Terrell back there. But you'll never see them, so. To check out more of our videos, make sure you click the playlist right over here and also stick around to the end because it's me and you know there's gonna be a lot of bloopers.
О.
Ma, what? What is going on?
Ой, что ты делаешь?
Ma, what?
Постоянно ее тут так ставь.
Huh?
Что, ты хочешь отрезать ее просто?
Tell me this
Ты
is
хочешь
for
отрезать её
parking.
просто?
Как мне еще заехать?
Ну да, по-другому никак. Дядя психанул.
Why?
Как тузик тянет.
What? What's going on?
Вот так паркуются у нас без
Oh
кубиков.
my god. That's a joke. There's no way you want to park your car there that bad that you saw a blade off a corner of it. Not to mention, if you just straightened your car, it looks like it would have fit. Oh, they left a sign on the car. Best parking job ever. You're awarded that. Honestly, not gonna lie, I've parked real far away from the curb in a parallel park because I can't do it. I am the worst parallel parker and I get anxiety, and then when I feel like someone's watching me try to parallel park, I freak out and I give up. So you know what? I would park like this. I hope you tucked your mirror in because you gonna lose that. Oh, why are you, just go straight. Oh my God, we're at a temp 7. Ma, give up already. How long is this video? This is 19. Oh! Well, they got out. That was sped up. That was attempt 20. That's insane. You see? That is me. I panicked. But literally they didn't just back out straight. They started turning immediately. Everyone knows you don't do that. I feel like I would just give up and walk. Like I would just leave my car there and like catch an Uber. Yup, this is the classic make your own parking spot. Everyone in here has done this once. Don't even lie to me. Chris, come forward. Have you made your own parking spot?
Yes.
Yes, Terrell, I know it. I have too in a movie theater. 100% I made my own parking spot. Yeah. But when people park like this, you have no choice because this was a parking spot that I could park in, but you decided to take up both. So I'm gonna make my own. Oh no, come on. See, they gave up on parallel parking and they just pulled in and left it. But you can't. This has to be all kinds of like illegal because they're on the sidewalk. Like people can't even walk by. I feel like your eyes had to be closed when you parked like this. Parking spot just for you. Oh my God. I need to meet the person that went to Dollarama, bought a piece of chalk and drew this on and wrote this because that is great.
They're great.
I don't have the time for that, but I like it and it's hilarious. And I hate people that park like this. There's really no point. Like no point, because the parking spots are already lined for you. I don't understand why people park on the line. Not gonna lie, I parked real far away from the curb in a parallel park because I can't do it. I don't get it. Oh my God. How do you even get in there? Oh my God, I have anxiety. Oh no! Ma. Look at everyone trying to help. Oh, come on, tell me he got out. He totally scraped all 3 of those cars in the process. There is no freaking way that that was pulled off that smoothly, because I don't even know how you got in there or why you thought this was a good idea. I literally would have just parked at the back against the wall and made my own spot. See? Just make your own spot. Like, it's worth the ticket sometimes. So this person took up 4 spots and then people just basically vandalized their car. I like how they even stole the pylons from somewhere and put them on top of their car. Pretty genius, but you know what? Pretty freaking annoying, and I would probably join in and I would probably silly string and toilet paper your car too. So, kind of deserved. There's a lot of bystanders, so let me get this straight. The car parked next to the fire hydrant, which is illegal on its own, and then what? The fire department just said, well, we need this space for our hose, so there's only one way to do it, by going through your windows. Surely they could have just put the hose over the car or under the car or like around the car. Correct? Like, am I missing something? Was this like trying to prove a point not to park next to a fire hydrant? Because I've also done that. Ooh, a truck. Nope. And a garage. That's good. Oh, no? What happened? I thought he had it. Oh, no. Oh my God. Just drive. Just drive away. Keep going. You're still gonna try and park there. No. Oh, I'll be damned if he thinks he's walking away from that scot-free. Like, surely you know that there's security cameras. I love how he's like, I'm just gonna move this car over a little bit by smashing into it, and then I'll have enough space to park. And then I'll go on with my day. Honestly, I thought he had it the first time when he pulled in, but I guess this is the civil and responsible thing to do. Alright guys, well there are some funny parking fails. I've admitted to doing like 90% of these, so that just goes to show you should probably never get in a car with me. But let me know what you guys think of this and leave a like because it really helps us out. I was your host, Joss Bedard. I will see you guys next time. Or not. How's your burn?
Oh, it's good.
Healed up?
It's just about healed.
Mine just peeled off right on set. Here you go. It's now on the floor for you. You're welcome. Yeah, who the f am I gonna talk to for 10 minutes?
I don't know. Plus, this is a picture coming up now too.
Ah!
No, we're just gonna try.
My bloopers are gonna be like literally 4 minutes long. Face down, ass up. That's the way we. Yeah, I'll get flagged for sure. No! This is so sad. Can we just like Photoshop someone in with it? They don't even have to say anything. Just Photoshop someone in. Amen. All right, I guess I'm alone. I've never talked about cars and parking so much in my entire life.
By yourself.
By myself, to myself.
About 5 more times.
No! I never thought I could discuss parking like so much before. Have you ever had your car toilet papered, Chris?
No.
Really? That's actually, I don't know why I'm surprised. I haven't, but I have toilet papered car. I genuinely have toilet papered a car before. Not going to say whose, but I have. And I was one of those awful teenagers who put bologna slices on cars.
Why don't you waste bologna?
What?
Why don't you waste bologna?
Well, because it was cheap. First of all, bologna's very cheap. And I felt really bad after because I didn't know as a kid that it rips off the paint. And that's not cool. But I didn't know that until I was an adult. And now I feel that bad. Because I would throw hands if someone bologna my car. Continue.